Nah. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to show you how to count using our fingers in a fun way.
A few moments later.
Okay, you count the beads first. Louder, huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Next is you count the fingers. Start here. Open it. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
very good. This one, 6,
6,
7.
8, 9.
Very good. Okay, next is okay, you move 3 beads. You count 3 beads going there. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And count here using the fingers. Start here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Very good. What's that? Oh, you count using your fingers. Okay, 1 like this. Okay, count first. What's that? 3. Okay, start here like this. This be 1, 1,
No.
2,
1, 2,
3. Very good. 3. Okay, next. Again, huh? Okay, next is 1.
No,
Okay, how about 5?
colors. Pink, blue,
Green,
green,
orange, pink, orange,
orange,
green.
pink, blue,
No, this one is yellow.
yellow,
This one is orange. And
blue.
very good. How many fingers do you have? You count 10. Again, can you show me? Count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Zailey, follow. 4, 5. Very good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Good job, Zailey. Okay, count again.
So pretty.
So plenty colors. Very nice. You like it? Can you count again? Oh, hi. Can you show mommy how to count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay, count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
very good. Then 6, 6,
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it for this vlog. Don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, click more button. Press them boom.
bye. See you in the next one. Bye, Zailey. Bye. Again, cover the camera.